Hello guys, I am going to talk about how to switch from non-tech to technical. Tech field. So, can you switch from a non-tech background to a tech background? How? The answer is yes, you can switch. And in this video, I will explain how in simple way. Okay, so first things, many people think tech is only for engineer, but that is not true. Anyone can enter tech with the right approach. Okay, so first approach is choose a role. First, don't try to learn everything. Choose one role like web development, data analysis, UI, UX design. Pick one based on your interest. And second thing, learn from basic skill. Learn from basic or learn basic skills. So start with basic. Use free resources like YouTube course, tutorials. Focus on understanding, not just watching the videos. And third thing is build a project. Project are very important. Make simple project like website. If you are going to learn AI, then make some chatbots, summarization tool, recommendation tools. You can, if you are going for front end, then build some front end. Okay, so or you can create a small app also, so this show your skill better than certificate. Okay, and fourth thing is create a portfolio, so your work online. Use platform like GitHub, portfolio, website. This help recruiters see your skills. Okay, and fifth is apply for job or freelance. Okay, start applying for internship or entry level job. You can also try freelancing for experience. Stay consistent. Learning tech take time. Okay, if you are learning technical thing, it will take time. You may feel confused or stuck, but consistency is the key. Okay, and seventh thing is reality. It is not easy. It take month of effort, but it is possible if you stay focused. Okay, and anyone can switch to tech with the right plan and effort. Follow for more simple career guide and tech content. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.